Noah, Miss Renfro here. I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of your workbook. I'm not sure if I've shared this with you yet. I know I shared it to your email, but maybe I didn't say um, what everything meant. So um, this is all of your login information for Prodigy, Lexia, typing.com, which isn't a requirement, but if you would like to do that, that'd be great. Has your schedule for the week here. And then this is kind of your pacing guide. You can see where we need to be each week. I did take this percentage down a little bit so that it's more attainable for this week. If you're 1% behind or 2, it's not the end of the world, but we would like to be within 1 to 2% of this. So to check your percentage in Epic Ed, what you're going to do is go into Epic Ed. This is ELA, so you're going to click and then you'll see your progress bar right here. So you have 19% done in language arts. So as you can see, 19% done in language arts. The colored is where we would like you to be. The grade is where you actually are. So I will update this tomorrow with your percentage or over the weekend. So that's how you'll check your progress for each subject. For math, you can look at your progress here. You're at 22%, super close. And then for the rest, we've got 20%, 19%. I had discussed with your mom that we could take Prodigy and Lexia down to 15 minutes a day. So that is our goal. Your goal is to get to 25% by the end of the week. And then next week we'll do 30%, and then it'll start to taper down a little bit. It won't be quite as much every week. I think this might be easier instead of having to look at your days and your topics. If I take something out, hopefully it won't throw you off. I think that this might be the easiest way to keep track of your pacing. Keep up the hard work. I did get a MiFi ordered for you all, and hopefully it'll be there in the next couple of weeks. All right, keep rocking it, buddy. I know fourth grade is hard, but you're doing an awesome job, and I am so proud of you.